In this video, we are going to see how we can enable the WebGL 2.0 on Microsoft Edge. So this is a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So first of all, just open Microsoft Edge and click on the three dots on the right hand corner and head over to the settings. And on the left hand side, we have system and performance option. Click on that. And from here, we click on the system and make sure to toggle on this use hardware acceleration when available. You turn this on, and now we want to write here edge : / flags. Hit enter. We will type WebGL in the search field, and after that we want to turn this to enabled WebGL draft extensions. Click on restart. And again, if you feel that you want to disable that, you can always disable that from here. And that is all we have to do. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And I will see you in the next one.